This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. I'm delighted to be here helping you with playing the guitar. In this video, we're going to be working on some melodies together that are written in tablature. We're going to be staying on those top 3 strings of the guitar in first position. So the open strings and then frets 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the area that we're working on reading these melodies in right now. It's going to be great. Now, this video does accompany the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. In that book, we're going to be starting on melody number 39. We're going to be doing 39, 40, 41, and 42. So you can find those on pages 32, 33, and 34. Before we work on these melodies together, jamming you, me, and the band, I need to remind you that there is a difference between the even eighth notes, where everything is treated with an equal rhythmic value, and the swung eighth notes, where we delay those eighth notes which fall on the offbeat. Some of the rhythms that we'll be playing as we're playing these melodies that now have eighth notes, some of the grooves that we're playing call for swung eighth notes and some call for even eighth notes. So you're going to be intuitively using your ear to sort of follow along in that way, as I've mentioned before. So you want to watch for that as we're playing these melodies, or listen for that, I should say. And then with number 42, it has multiple endings. So I have up here on the board just an example. When we run into this repeat mark, we're going to run into repeat marks from time to time throughout the music that we play. And when we run into these 2 little dots at the end of a measure, that means we got to repeat. And we go back to where we either are at the beginning or where we run into those 2 little marks facing the other direction where they're at the beginning of a measure. So in this case, we go back to the beginning, but if we run into those marks somewhere along the way, that's where we repeat back to. This song has multiple endings, so sometimes you'll see this line above a measure or more than one measure, and you'll see some numbers. And so this says 1, 2, and then 3 over here. So what that means is, as we come through, we're going to play this one the first time, we're going to repeat back, we're going to play it again the second time, and then we're going to repeat back in the third time. Instead of playing this measure, we're going to play the one that has the number 3 on it. A lot of times with music, you only have a first and a second ending. This is a first, second, and third ending. Sometimes you'll have even more, so you're going to want to watch for that. We're going to be playing that song essentially 3 times, watching for the ending, and the line will be over the number of measures that the ending lasts for. It could be for 1, it could be 2, 3, 4, sometimes it lasts for several measures. Okay, so it's going to be super fun. Each of these melodies will happen twice, once at a slower tempo and once at a faster tempo. So as I always mention, you can play right along with me. If you have a place where you're tripping or not quite getting it right, you want to pause and you want to work on that spot and get so you can play it well. And then you want to go ahead and try playing it along with me again. So if we keep tripping over areas, we don't really improve our ability to play melodies, and our tablature reading doesn't get any better either. But if we stop and work on those spots, then we get better at them, and it improves our ability while we're also mastering the ability to play that particular melody. So it's going to be fun. Let's go ahead and play these together. Okay, great. I hope you're having fun with this as we continue through this tablature book. In the next video, we're going to be working on 4 more melodies together, so it's going to be fun. I'll see you then. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.